Sawasdee krab. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jim, and today we will make Thai fried rice, but we will make it like a Thai style. If you come to Thailand and you order it from street food, you will see it like this. Let's check out what we need first. Okay. For the veggies, we use onions, and this is tomato. All right, you slice it. You know how to slice it already, right? And this is Chinese kale. All right, it's like this. How to cut it? Check out my pad see ew. All right, you will know how to cut it. And then for the stem, if it's too hard, you boil it a little bit, and then you stir fry it later. All right, egg, chicken, beef, pork, shrimp, crab is up to you. For the rice, we use it a little bit harder than a normal one. For example, when you cook the rice, right? Normally I cook 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. But if you want to use this to make fried rice, 1 cup of rice and around 3/4 cups of water. Or you use the cooked one, scoop it out, wait until it cools down, put into the fridge around half an hour. Don't use it while it's still hot, because when you stir fry it, it's all mushy. And the last one, how to season. We use around half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoning sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and minced garlic. All right? For the Chinese style, they don't put garlic in. I will make another video and show you how to cook like a Chinese style. Let's cook it. Start with the oil. I use around 3 tablespoons of oil because we cook with the chicken, right? Warm it up. Again, 10 to 15 seconds. And then start with the garlic. Yep. Keep cooking around 10 seconds until you smell the aroma. Oh, yum, yum. And then chicken in. Yes, and then keep moving, keep moving. Scoop. Scoop. Keep cooking until the chicken cooks. If you cook with the shrimp, again, put it together with the rice. Keep cooking, keep going. Yes. Nearly there. Oh, smells so yum. Woo. Okay, cut 1 chicken, see inside. All right. Set everything above again. Egg in, like pad thai. Break the yolk and then swirl the wok again. Yes. Pieces of egg. But in Chinese style, it's different. Alright, wait. Leave it there. Wait until it's almost cooked. Rice, season with sugar, fish sauce, seasoning sauce, oyster. Okay, and then crush all the eggs, and then scoop, scoop. All right, scoop, scoop. Make it fast. Scoop. Yes. Yes, smells so yum. And then veggies. Put all the veggies in. Yes. Scoop. scoop. Yes, keep scooping until the veggies look soft. Yes. A little bit more. Yes. Oh, it looks yum. It looks yum. Yes. See? If you use like a hot rice, it's all mushy. You want to have the rice as like a pieces like this, see? All right, lower down the heat. Let me try a little bit, see how it goes. Yum. All right, put it on the plate. Make it beautiful. You need the bowl, and then you scoop everything inside the bowl. All right, I think it's too much, but it's okay. Finish it later. Yes, push it down. Push it down. And then hold the plate, put it on top. And then you flip it. Then take it out. Yes. Ooh, a little bit. It's okay. Beautiful. And spring onion and lime again. All right? Put it back, put it back, put it back. Yes. Let's eat. A little bit of black pepper. Ooh, it's too much. Sorry. And then let's try it. Squeeze the lime in. Oh, I like this one. Yes. Ooh. And then mix it well. Mix it well. Yes. Oh, smells so good. And then spring onion. Oh, yum. Normally, we have it with the fried rice. How to make it? Check out my Only Basil. I told you already how to make fried rice. No, not fried rice. Sorry, fried egg. I'm sorry. Okay, cut fried egg.
Done.
And thank you. It's too early. See you next time. Wish you were here again.